Welcome to Cedar Breaks Part 3, where we revisit the Alpine Pond Trail, but this time visiting the nature trail points of interest. Number 1 shows a rock buried under snow in winter and describes how, over many years of freezing and thawing and plant roots in the summer, the rock will be broken apart. Number 2 shows a rock apartment, home to marmots, chipmunks, ground squirrels, and pikas. Number 3 refers us to the lichens on the rock, composed of a fungus and an algae in a symbiotic relationship. As the lichens break down the rock, soil is formed, allowing other plants to grow. This process is called succession. Number 5 is a group of lupins, this group not currently in bloom. Lupins are legumes and have nitrogen-fixing bacteria enriching the soil. Number 6 shows a stand of dead trees. These are not removed from national parks, eventually decaying and returning their nutrients to the soil. Number 7, Alpine Pond is a source of water and vegetation. It is a focal point for wildlife activity. Number 8, these dead trees are due to a bark beetle outbreak in the 90s. This makes room for new forest growth, but it may take a century to mature. Number 9, a view of the amphitheater. The layers are limestone, shale, and sandstone. Fossils tell of a lake here 55 million years ago. Number 10, the pit here is a sinkhole. Water dissolves the limestone. If the overlying soil collapses, you get a sinkhole. Number 11, Brian Head Peak. Brian Head is not a volcano, but cliffs at the top are volcanic rock, formed during a period of volcanism 28 million years ago. Number 12, nature has taken millions of years to create the scenery of Cedar Breaks. Number 13, here is a bristlecone pine. The oldest bristlecone in the monument is at least 1,650 years old. Number 14, this is a wildflower meadow which changes with the seasons. From larkspur and shooting star in early summer, through penstemon and paintbrush in July, to goldenrods and asters in late summer. Number 15, the tracks on this trunk are due to the larvae of the beetles. Number 16, there are ridges of dirt here which result from the activity of pocket gophers. Pocket gophers are beneficial here because they till the soil. Number 17, this is a grove of quaking aspen. Aspens need sun. As they mature, they create shade which their seedlings cannot tolerate. Young spruce and fir thrive in shade, so they invade the aspen grove, eventually coming to dominate. Number 18, the large tree here was hit by lightning in 1986, losing a strip of bark. Insects and disease attacked, and the tree eventually died. Number 19, this tree was carved by a thoughtless visitor to the park. Please leave things as you find them when visiting national park sites. Number 20, the most common trees in this forest are subalpine fir and Engelmann spruce. Number 21, an overlook of Alpine Pond. Number 22, the forest provides food for many animals. I didn't see any here. The plant eaters, in turn, provide food for predators. Number 23. These are limber pines, so named because their limbs are very flexible, an adaptation that helps prevent breakage due to heavy snow. Number 24. This rock is rhyolitic tuff, a volcanic rock of the same type as on Brian Head Peak. The layering is due to separate eruptions. Number 25, a stop and look around point before you come to the end of the trail. This has been a very truncated version of the information in the leaflet for the Alpine Pond Trail. If you get a chance, visit Cedar Breaks yourself and read the full leaflet as you walk the trail. As always, thanks for watching.